The drone community is abuzz with anticipation as the DJI Mini 5 Pro prepares to take flight. Scheduled for release in 2024, this compact powerhouse promises to build upon the success of its predecessors while introducing groundbreaking upgrades. A significant area of improvement lies in the camera system, with the Mini 5 Pro rumored to feature a 1-inch sensor. This substantial upgrade from the 1/1.3-inch sensor in previous models is expected to dramatically enhance dynamic range and reduce noise, particularly in low-light conditions. Furthermore, the Mini 5 Pro is likely to support 4K video recording at 60 FPS, aligning with current industry standards for compact drones and cementing its position as a top-tier aerial photography tool. As the DJI Mini 5 Pro prepares to take flight, two critical areas of improvement have captured the attention of drone enthusiasts and professionals alike: internal storage and flight time. These enhancements are poised to significantly elevate the overall user experience, making the Mini 5 Pro an even more formidable tool for aerial photography and exploration. One of the most significant anticipated upgrades is the internal storage capacity. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to boast a substantial increase in internal storage, with many users hoping for at least 8 GB of internal storage. This notable expansion would provide pilots with greater flexibility when capturing footage, reducing their reliance on external memory cards. By having more internal storage at their disposal, users can seamlessly capture and store more photos and videos without the need for frequent memory card swaps or uploads. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to revolutionize the compact drone landscape with a significant enhancement in flight time. According to projections, this cutting-edge device is expected to boast a flight duration of at least 40 minutes per charge. This substantial improvement would empower pilots with unparalleled freedom to explore and capture breathtaking footage without the constraints of frequent battery changes. The Mini 5 Pro's extended flight time would be a game-changer for various applications, including aerial photography, videography, surveying, and inspection. With more time in the air, pilots can focus on capturing the perfect shot, conducting more thorough inspections, or exploring larger areas without interruption. This increased productivity and creative freedom would make the Mini 5 Pro an indispensable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike, further cementing its position as a top-tier compact drone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro's pricing strategy is anticipated to be in line with its predecessor, with the base model expected to range from $750 to $800. This deliberate pricing decision would position the drone competitively within the mid-segment market, offering advanced features that cater to a broad range of users. While some rumored features of the Mini 5 Pro may seem ambitious for a mid-segment drone, the expected enhancements in sensor size, dynamic range, storage capacity, and flight time could potentially elevate it to professional-grade status. These upgrades have the potential to establish a new benchmark in the compact drone industry, redefining expectations for mid-segment devices. DJI's aggressive release schedule, including the forthcoming Mini 5 Pro, underscores the company's deliberate strategy to maintain market dominance and cater to the evolving demands of consumers. By consistently pushing the boundaries of innovation, DJI aims to not only meet but exceed the lofty expectations set by its predecessors. The drone industry is on the cusp of a revolution, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of compact, high-performance drones. As the latest iteration in DJI's esteemed Mini series, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to set a new standard for portable, powerful, and versatile drone solutions. The highly anticipated release of the Mini 5 Pro is expected to captivate a broad spectrum of users, from hobbyists to professionals. This cutting-edge drone promises to redefine the possibilities of aerial photography and exploration, offering an unprecedented combination of image quality, flight performance, and portability. By pushing the boundaries of what is possible with compact drone technology, the Mini 5 Pro is poised to inspire a new wave of creativity and innovation in the world of aerial imaging.